All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are streaming live on the YouTube channel. 36th District Court is now in session. I am Judge Miriam Martin Clark presiding. And the court is calling case number SP 116-43651. Yolanda Richardson, the charge is license improper. Count 2 of that same ticket, no insurance. Also SP 116-43601, same defendant, disregarding a red signal. Count 2 of that same ticket, no valid registration. And count 3, seatbelt violation. All matters are set for trial or formal hearing. The officer is present in the courtroom. For the record, who's Ms. Richardson, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record. Ms. Richardson.
Richardson, you have to unmute your microphone.
Is she in the virtual courtroom?
Yes.
Yolanda Richardson.
All right, thank you, Ms. Richardson. And who's representing Ms. Richardson?
Your Honor, my name's Paul Zozel, ZOSEL P22757 on behalf of Miss Richardson.
Thank you. And the officer is in the virtual courtroom as well. Corporal Hope, your name, sir, for the record.
Well, Kenneth Hope, badge 444, Detroit Police 12th Precinct.
Thank you very much, Corporal, for being here this morning. Mr. Zozel, how do you wish to proceed?
Your Honor, we have an offer from the people. Count 1 of the ticket ending in 360 will be changed from disregarding red signal to 60 and a 55. Count 2, the no registration, my client will plead responsible straight away. And the rest of the counts on that ticket and the other ticket will be dismissed.
So what about the misdemeanor offenses? They're both being dismissed?
Yes.
The improper license and no insurance?
Yes.
And Corporal Hope?
Yes.
An opportunity to speak to the prosecutor, and you're all right with that offer, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, thank you so much. Corporal Hope, you may disconnect from the hearing unless you just want to stay around with me today. Right, so we've got just 2 pleas to civil infractions. Is that right, Mr. Zozo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Richardson, you've heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with that representation?
Yes.
And Ms. Richardson, you understand that on these matters, because they are civil infractions, the court does not need to swear you in or to take factual basis for the civil infractions. We merely need your plea of responsible to the charge of disregarding a red signal, which will be amended to driving 60 miles per hour in a 55-mile zone. So as to the ticket ending in 643601, Ms. Richardson, on the date, the time, and the location indicated in that ticket, did you disregard a red signal?
Yes.
And on that same date, that same time, at the same location, did the officer ask you for valid registration for the vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have valid registration at that time?
No.
All right. Mr. Zozo, are you satisfied with the plea of responsible to those counts?
I am, thank you.
And the court will follow the recommendation to amend the charge in the ticket ending in 64360, count 1, to driving 60 miles an hour in a 55-mile zone. And the fine for that matter is $125. And the fine for no valid registration is
It's
100.
$90, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it 90 or 105? 90, Madam Clerk?
It was no valid registration,
Right.
$90.
All right, thank you. So 125 and 90, that's $215. All other matters are dismissed pursuant to the prosecutor's recommendation. And the time frame for payment of the civil infraction, Ms. Richardson, is 14 days. Are you able to pay $215 within 14 days, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Any questions?
No,
I'll
Your
pay
Honor,
it.
thank you.
Thank
Mr. Bozo. All right, then, you can pay that online, Ms. Richardson. Your lawyer will give you the information if you need it, but you can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org or on the DivDat app. And if you have no other questions, you may disconnect from the hearing, and thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Mr. Zozo. Good to
Thank
see
you, Judge. Good to see you. Take care.
Thank you very much.
Madam Clerk, thank you.
Madam
I
Clerk,
guess
is
she's on.
there anyone else ready for the live stream at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.